Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I called this meeting to discuss the sudden price hike from our main supplier. It's already affecting our cost calculation for this month, and we need to act quickly.
Exactly. The supplier increased their rates by almost 15%. Our production costs have gone up, and if this continues, our profit margin will shrink dramatically.
I noticed that too. If we raise our menu prices to cover the cost, we might lose some of our early customers. But if we don't adjust the price at all, we'll be running at a loss. It's a pretty business.
Maybe we can look at internal cost control first. Cutting unnecessary expenses and adjusting our schedules could help save some money until this is sorted out.
Before that, I think we need to take our contract with the supplier. If there are not fixed price codes, we should negotiate one immediately. This kind of sudden change without notice is unfair to us.
That's a good point, Ranjula. Please review the contract and arrange a meeting with the supplier. We need to know our legal position right first.
Of course.
Meanwhile, we should start searching for alternative suppliers to Yasuhaka. Even if they are slightly more expensive, having multiple sources will protect us from this harm.
Agreed. So, on marketing side, I'll prepare a communication plan in case we need to adjust our menu prices slightly. We'll be transparent with our customers and emphasize that our eco-friendly values remain the same.
I can help by motivating the staff and explaining the situation. They should understand why cost control measures are necessary for them.
Okay, excellent. Let's move forward this action point. Thank you.
Thank you.